Whoa, look at that angle. Oh man, guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. Guys, it is 2025. God blessed us with a new year, and you know what that means? New year, new me, and new subscribers. So make sure you subscribe down below. But today we are about to jump right into this video. I am getting ready for a drift event that's supposed to be happening in 5 days. And I got until the 5th to get this car ready. And if you don't know, this is my Fox body. My 89 Fox body has a 1998 V6 motor in there. The reason why I have this car is so I can start drifting. And after 2 drift events, I realized there's some stuff I need to upgrade on this car, which is the reason why I have this car. This car had a whole bunch of race car parts on there. It was built for drag racing. It had nitrous, line lock, tubular K-member, tubular A-arms, drive shaft, battery relocated in the back, the works. So what I'm planning on doing is taking this car, transferring it to this car, so I can have the track abilities on this car. So I already installed the coilovers, the Cobra brakes and rotors, and the tubular lower control arm. At my last drift event, I realized that whenever I turned the wheel, it would hit. So I needed that A-arm to clear it. I also had to cut the K-member up a little bit so the tires won't rub on it anymore. The next thing I have to deal with is actually inside the car, which is these wonderful seats. I like the seats, but I had to makeshift my seat bracket. So now whenever I turn, yeah, they just throw you around. They don't hold you in place. And this is what I mean by I kind of makeshifted. And that does not look pretty at all. With it being Christmas a few weeks ago and my birthday, I was actually able to get something that should help out with that. All right, so this right here is seat brackets. This is aftermarket seat brackets where it has multiple spots to mount up the seat. So this should be better. I'm gonna guess that's a D. D for D Creator's creation. Yeah, it's custom made. Yeah, custom made. But we finna go ahead and install this into the Fox body. First things first, let's go ahead and take out these seats. All right, so we got this off, and we got the new seat bracket on there, and it is loose because I got to make sure that I have them in the right spot. Make sure it's not too close to the door. It's fully planted to the body of the car, so now it shouldn't slide anywhere. Let's go ahead and put it inside the car, see how it looks. So I'm installing these seats, and my neighbor has this nice Chevy truck. All right, so now we got the passenger seat in, and instead of it rocking like crazy, this is pretty secure in the seat. Unfortunately, I lost a seat slider, so I won't be able to slide it back and forth, but all right, so it's the next day. I went back to the house to get my sliders. These came with the seat, so I still be able to move the seat back and forth. But I have some unfortunate news. The drift event that I was planning on going to, I won't be able to make it because it's a 2-day event and it costs $300, and I can only make it to Saturday, so I really don't see the point of paying $300 just to go 1 day. That's not happening. I'm probably just gonna go there for the show and probably do some ride-alongs and record some footage. Maybe a track day or a private day or something like that. Then I can go out there and record, but other than that, I don't see it being worth it unless I go out there for 2 days. And even still, I'm not that good. This time I don't have to rush, so I can take my time with it, so that's good. Another reason why I'm replacing this is because look at the driver's seat. I I don't know what happened to that nut. Guys, that took entirely way too long. If it wasn't for this would have been a headache. Get you one of these. This is a double-sided. This is the 1/4" side ratchet with the flex head on it. And then this is the 3/8 side with the flex head on it. It works miracles in those tight spaces. I could not get to that driver's side without this. It's long so I can get some torque on there, make sure those bolts are tight. Dude, just get you one of these. As far as the seats are in. It is nice and tight. It is not going anywhere. And it's very far back, like I can't even reach the pedals. And it's fully extended. Of course now, if I hit my toes on it, I can hit it. But it's like probably a 1/2 inch away from the pedals, and I'm like all the way back. And since I got the sliders, all I have to do is lift up and slide myself forward, and now I'm able to push on the gas, the brake, the clutch with no problem. Honestly, this is pretty nice, and I'm not moving around a lot. Like even with the shifter, I thought maybe with me being closer to the shifter, it would probably throw me off, but no, it's like no problem at all. Now I know you're curious about the seats that's in the Fox body. Go ahead, click on this video right here. It goes straight to it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.